Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your subscription service with Hulu. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your subscription service with Hulu, begin by opening the Hulu app on your device. If you're using a web browser, go to the Hulu website. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the account icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Account from the menu options. In the Account section, scroll down to find the Your Subscription area. Here, you will see the details of your current subscription plan. Verify that the plan listed matches what you expect. If you want to view billing details, click on the Billing Details link. This will provide you with information on your billing cycle and payment method. If anything seems incorrect, consider checking your payment method. You can do this by going back to the Account section and selecting Payment Information. Make sure your payment details are up to date to avoid issues. If you still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Hulu's customer support for assistance. You can find the customer support link at the bottom of the Hulu homepage. By following these steps, you can ensure your Hulu subscription service is verified and functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.